Hey everyone, I see that we are having a little trouble uploading the poetry packet and or editing it. So I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial of how to do that. For some reason, my fifth hour class can't load the document. I believe the other classes are able to see it, but in case you can't, I'm just going to use fifth hour as an example. So if you go into the poetry packet for the whole unit assignment, and you'll find the poetry packet, click on it, and if you're getting this, it probably isn't going to download, or probably isn't going to download on Shobi. So you're going to actually have to click this button, or it might be a little different on the iPad, but you have to download it, and it's probably going to download to iBooks or something like that. And then you do have a PDF version of it. However, you can't really edit on here or show it to me or save it. So you have to go back to Shobi, back to this failed to load preview page. Just click done. And then actually, since you've downloaded it, you can re-upload it now. So I need you to go to the plus and add from computer, or probably add from iPad. If you're not comfortable with that, you can try adding the PDF that you downloaded to your drive and then just add from your drive. But since I downloaded it, it should be on my computer. And I'm going to go to recents. Nope, I'm going to go to downloads. There we go. Poetry packet and open. And now it's on the top. So theoretically, when I click this, somehow I can now see it since I uploaded it. And then the idea is that since we're working on page 2 and 3, or sorry, yeah, 2 and 3 this week, you can go in here and take the pen to it, and you can, underline and label it as simile, or you can put brackets around something and label it here. You could add a comment by using this feature. Okay, you could go in here and go simile. Of course it's not, because I just picked a random line. And then when you're answering the questions, you can do it in a comment like this if you want, or you can do a text box. Click on here. You're just going to want to adjust the size of the text box and the size of the text by going up here and making it quite a bit smaller, because you don't have a lot of space. Okay, so you could respond here. I don't know, this is imagery. That's obviously not what the question is asking, but then when you click off of it, you can kind of move it around and resize it. And then it looks like you typed it right in there. Okay, so all this stuff gets saved automatically when you press done. So theoretically, it's got this little symbol on it, which means that it's been edited or replied to. So then if you go back and next week we're working on the next pages, you'll see that your work is still here, and you can type your poem that you're going to write here. On the next page, you can just add to it, and then we're slowly kind of chipping away the pages, and I can see the entire packet as a whole and grade it as a whole later. If you have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email. Please reach out. Please don't let the lack of being able to upload something or edit something be a reason for not doing assignment. Always email me and ask me. We can figure it out. I can't read your mind, so you got to communicate, okay?